It's all around you, behind the purchase of homes, cars, electronics, and countless other items. There's a system in place that enables the millions of credit-based transactions that occur every day to be conducted quickly and efficiently. When you apply for a credit card or a loan, the lender will most likely want to know how you handle your credit. To do so, lenders may access one or more of your credit reports maintained by the 3 national credit reporting companies. A credit report contains details about how a person manages credit, including items such as credit cards, car loans, and mortgages. It also includes information found in public records, including tax liens and judgments. Credit reports do not contain information about race, gender, religion, sexual orientation, or national origin. Lenders and credit card issuers aren't the only ones interested in what these credit reports reveal about your past use of credit. Wireless telephone companies, utilities, and insurance companies often examine your past credit use before accepting you as a customer who will receive services before payment may be due. Potential employers may also want to review this information. With so much writing on what your credit reports say about you, let's take a look at what goes into them, how information gets there, and how it's used. Credit reports are typically divided into sections including personal information, such as your name, current and past addresses, social security number, and employment history. A summary, which summarizes the overall content of your credit report. Public information. This section details public records including items such as tax liens or court judgments against you. Your account history. Your history shows account details including whether you've made timely payments on your credit cards, mortgage, and auto loans. Inquiries by creditors. This summarizes inquiries into your credit history that occur when you apply for new credit. Creditor contacts. This includes contact details for creditors listed on your credit report. And a consumer statement. You can add a statement to your credit report containing any information you wish to convey to potential reviewers of the report. For example, if you're a victim of identity theft, you can include that information. So how does all this information get into your credit report? About once a month, information about your ongoing credit activity, such as how you've paid your debts during the previous billing period, is relayed separately to the 3 national credit reporting companies directly by your creditors. That's why you have 3 separate credit reports, reports detailing information relayed by your creditors to each of the 3 reporting companies. Many people don't realize they have 3 reports, or that the information on each may be somewhat different because not all creditors report to all 3 all the time, and each may report on a different cycle. Some people incorrectly think that the 3 national credit reporting companies are the source of this historical credit information, that they're government agencies, or that they make recommendations about consumers' credit applications. This is not the case. In fact, the 3 are separate companies not affiliated with the government. A credit reporting company's role is to receive, compile, and maintain the history that's provided by a consumer's creditors and lenders. It cannot and does not make decisions about whether a consumer qualifies for a loan or credit card. Those kinds of decisions are made directly by lenders. At TransUnion, there's nothing more important than the safety and security of the consumer information we maintain. Just how much information are we talking about? Well, think about this. There are approximately 250 million credit-active people in the U.S. Yes, 250 million. If you're one of them and have handled your credit obligations responsibly over the years, the information provided by your creditors over time to the credit reporting companies is likely to be regarded as generally positive by lenders, service providers, or employers reviewing the application you've submitted. On the other hand, if you've handled those obligations haphazardly or poorly, your credit standing might be questioned by lenders. That could result in higher interest rates on new or existing accounts, reduced limits on card accounts and credit lines, or a denial of a loan or credit application. Getting a copy of your credit report is easy. Under federal law, all U.S. consumers are entitled to one free credit report, which you may also see referred to as a disclosure, from each of the 3 national credit reporting companies once every 12 months, as well as under other circumstances. TransUnion encourages you to obtain these free reports and review them carefully each year because A, they're free, and, as we'll explore in more detail, you play a very key role in making sure that the information in your reports, a reflection of the credit standing you've earned, is accurate. The only authorized website for requesting your free annual credit report is www.annualcreditreport.com. So be sure this is the site you visit. Beyond your free annual reports, checking all 3 of your credit reports throughout the year is also highly advisable. Why? Information on each of those reports may differ slightly, and each report is also constantly changing based on information submitted by your creditors. By reviewing your reports regularly, you can help ensure that each paints an accurate picture of your credit history at all times. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to share this important information. We invite you to learn more anytime at www.transunion.com. For information about the laws governing credit reporting and your rights as a consumer, visit www.ftc.gov.